you, kids.
Hello, little learners. Are you ready for some fun? Today, we're going to learn all about shapes. Let's go on a shape adventure together. I am Cray, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn about 4 shapes: circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. Can you say shapes? Awesome! Let's get started. Look at this shape. It's called a circle. A circle is round and has no corners or sides. It goes round and round without stopping. Can you make a circle with your arms? Nice job! Where do we see circles in real life? A pizza. A clock. The sun. A cookie. Good job, little learners. This shape is a square. A square has 4 sides, and they're all the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try drawing a square in the air with your fingers. Good job! Squares are everywhere. A window. A napkin. Dice. Even a game board. Can you find something square around you? This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's make a triangle with our fingers. Good job! You might see a triangle in a slice of pizza, a traffic sign, sandwich, a mountain. This one's a rectangle. It has 4 sides too, but 2 sides are long and the other 2 are short. Can you stretch your arms out like a big rectangle? Great! Rectangles are all around us. Doors, books, phones, and even TV screens. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Let's remember the shapes we learned. Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Can you say them with me? Great work, Shape Explorer! You're learning so much! Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back next time for more learning fun with me. Bye-bye, everyone! Keep looking for shapes everywhere you go!